Yeah. Happy Independence Day. Now, it's our country's 241st year of independence, and man, has it been a shit show. I mean, okay, you know what? Keeping on the positive. Now, the 4th of July is like the perfect time to host a party and to show off your entertaining skills. I mean, you have the liberty to do so, right? So, that being said, cupcakes. Super American, super simple, and millions of ways to decorate. So stay tuned, and I'll show you a few ways to up your patriotic cupcake game. Welcome to Mama Reubo's Kitchen. Now, if you have a go-to vanilla cupcake recipe, now is the time. If not, I got you. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line a muffin pan with cupcake liners. I'm using a mini muffin pan. In a bowl, add the dry ingredients, which is 1 1/4 cup of cake flour, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and whisk to combine, and then we're gonna set this aside. Now, you can use all-purpose flour, but it doesn't quite produce a cupcake that's as soft as using cake flour. Now, in the bowl of an electric mixer, beat 2 eggs at room temperature with a whisk attachment on medium speed. Just remember, you can also do this with a hand mixer too. Then we're gonna add a 3/4 cup of sugar and mix. Then add 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and a 1/2 cup of oil and mix again. Now reduce the mixer to medium-low, and we're gonna alternate between the flour mixture and a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Add about half the flour mixture and then mix well. And then add half of the buttermilk and mix well. And then you're just gonna repeat that with the remaining flour and the buttermilk. We're gonna beat this until it's combined and smooth. Make sure to scrape down the bowl as needed, and note that the batter will be thin. Now divide the batter into 3 bowls, and we're gonna color 1 red and color 1 blue. And we're gonna leave the other. Now we're gonna spoon the batter into the lined muffin pan randomly to create multicolored cupcakes, and we're just wanting to fill them about half full. Now these bake for 12 to 14 minutes at 350 degrees. Then let them cool a bit in the pan, and then remove them from the pan and let cool completely. Now for the buttercream frosting, we're gonna beat 2 sticks of butter at room temperature until it's creamy and pale in color. Then we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat until it's incorporated. We're gonna turn off the mixer and add 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time. And use the mixer on the lowest speed, and this is just to prevent you from getting sugar all over your clothing. Now once it's all incorporated, add 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, and mix until the mixture is a thick frosting. Now if the mixture is too dry and stiff, add more milk. But if the mixture is too wet, then add more powdered sugar. Now I divided the frosting into 3, and I colored 1 red and 1 blue and left the other one white. Now we're gonna pipe lines of the frosting of varying colors on a piece of plastic wrap. And then we're gonna roll this up and wrap the ends and set it aside. Now this goes into a piping bag fitted with the tip of your choice, and now we're gonna frost the cool cupcakes. And you have patriotic deliciousness in a cup. happy Independence Day again. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen and you can like and subscribe to come back for more. Now comment below what your plans are for Independence Day or anything that happened to you in the previous years that was funny or maybe not. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.